Hi guys, in this week's vlog we've got this stunning Range Rover here from our neighbours the Wrap Pod, and this one's having the urban treatment. So they've already done the wrap on the car, they've got the urban badges on, and we're having these absolutely stunning 24-inch rims from Urban Automotive as well. So I'm just going to put this one down. Ali, if you come with me. So obviously you can see the rest of the wheels. We're having the Urban front gloss black splitter and this really chunky rear spoiler from Urban as well. So we're going to go step by step on the video as we usually do. We're going to show you guys how to fit these. I'm pretty sure that there's probably not many people that have got the Urban kit. It is quite expensive, but we're going to make a video of it and we're going to show you guys how we do it. So first things first, with any spoiler we use the alcohol, and then what we're going to do with this one, we're going to tape it and we're going to put some bonding on there as well. I believe from the instructions from Urban they prefer to bond them completely. I don't think it's necessary, it's quite light, so we're going to go on the outside on the outline with tape, and then we're going to put little spots of bonder just to reinforce that tape. So first thing, get it alcoholed nice and clean. Make sure you do this with the roof as well. And we'll have some good adherence with the tape. So that's that. I'll go get some tape and we'll start taping it. Ready? I'm on. So that is the spoiler fitted. So we're just going to pop this tape on just to keep it exactly where we want it. So that the bonding that is attached to it goes off where we want it to go. Always check and make sure that you are happy with alignment, which I am. Minimum of 4 hours for this bonding. Longer if possible, so the longer you leave it and the less chance you've got of it actually moving anywhere. So what I'm doing with the tape, I'm pulling on all angles, so it's pulling down, it's pushing that way, and it's just keeping this front edge down as well. I'm happy with the edge at the top, that's nice and flush, and I'm happy with this back edge here, which is also nice and flush. So that is it, spoilers on. We're going to leave that to go off now. We're going to move on to the front and then we're going to get the wheels on. So moving on to the front, no different to any other vehicle. Make sure that the surface, the area, the contact areas are nice and clean, free of any mud. Then you're going to be happy with the result. So onto the splitter. Although this is Urban Automotive, you would expect for the price that this would fit perfectly. Always test fit your products. So test fit it on. Yeah, I'm happy with that. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to start fixing it up. Dead easy. Urban are telling you exactly where to put the holes. Oh sorry, where to put the screws, rivets. We're going to rivet this, and yeah, once we've done that we'll get onto the wheels. Alright, so always use 2 people for this. Make sure you're happy with alignment. Check with whoever you're working with that they're happy with their alignment. You're good. So I'm just going to start this off just with some screws on the edges. Could find the hole. Can't find the deal. It's all lined up. And then we're going to go around with rivets. Cheers, mate. Thank you. Cheers. Right, so that is all aligned. I'm now going to just drill all the way around every single hole that Urban have supplied in the splitter. Not going to deviate from that at all. Get the rivets in. That'll be nice and secure. We can move on to the wheels. So in with the rivets. Making sure that when you're putting these rivets in, you're checking that top line, making sure that it's still nice and tight to the car. Alright, so always bearing in mind, you don't want to scratch wheels, whether it be old wheels, new wheels. So trim tool, just get these little covers off, which are a pain in the ass. Just like anything on Land Rover, everything's a pain in the ass. There we go. Just wait for that click, and then just try and get behind it. Pop off like that. Just like that one. So I'll get these off and then we'll come back to you when we're taking the wheel nuts off. So I always think preserving your paint on the wheels. So we've got the Milwaukee Shockwave, so it's got like a little bit of a rubber outlet or a sheath around the socket, stop you scratching the wheels. So get the locker on first. And we're just going to crack them. There. Start at the bottom, leave the top one in. So as long as you're careful, you should never really touch the paint with the wheel nut. And last one. And just gently lift the wheel off away from the caliper. You don't want to scratch the caliper. I'm going to clean up the caliper. And then we're going to go back, get the new wheel, put the new wheel on. So it's just a cleaning fluid, is this? So there's nothing greasy in it at all. Just give that caliper a little clean up. Give that surface a nice wipe, and then on with the new wheel. So again, nice and steady. Just avoid that caliper. Get lined up. Sat on nicely, just like that. Get your holes lined up. And we'll go back in the top again. So just hand tight. That's given me enough now. I can just get the rest in. Like I said, the wheel nut itself should not actually touch the paint at any time. So hand tight again. Then we're going to torque these down. We're going to get the torque specs for it. And then that will be the car done. Okay, so torquing up, so 140 Newton meters. So that one. And the same for all the others, which we won't do on video, just bore you. And then she's good to go. Okay, that is it. That is the Urban Range Rover finish. So we've got the front splitter, the 24-inch wheels, and we've got the roof spoiler at the back. There's a little bit of tape on the roof spoiler which we can't take off, so we'll try and get some photographs later on of that without the tape on. But thanks to the Wrap Pod for sending this round. Obviously they've done the wrap, they've done the Urban badges, and then we've just finished it off with the body kit. So that is it for this week's vlog. If you like our content and you want to see more, tell us what you want to see. We'll try and get that out for you. If you like this one, drop a like, drop a comment. We'll see you for the next one.